Hey guys, John here. For this module, my topic is fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are the first line of defense to extinguish small fires which may occur in your home, your business, and even on your boat. The extinguisher I have here is a 3-pound kitty ABC fire extinguisher. This is considered a multi-purpose fire extinguisher because there's 3 classes of fire this extinguisher can put out. You have your Class A fire, which is usually any natural product like wood or paper. Along with this extinguisher, you can also use a water fire extinguisher. Usually this is called a pressurized water can. This extinguisher also puts out Class B fires, which is petroleum-based products, and Class C fires, which is usually any appliance that has electric current running through it. An easy way to remember these is Class A is for ash. So anything that burns to ash, you would use a Class A. So along with this fire extinguisher, you'd use for paper or wood, but you would not use this on a Class C fire for current, otherwise you'd probably have a bad day. This extinguisher also puts out Class B fires, so B is for barrel, so petroleum products come in a barrel, so that's what you'd use this for. And Class C fire, C is for current, so again, toasters and microwaves, anything that's energized, you'd be safe to use this on. I keep a few of these in my house. I usually have one in my kitchen and one in every bathroom, so that way, God forbid I need one, there's one close by. Along in my kitchen with my ABC, I use a Class K extinguisher. These are specifically made for kitchen fires on the stovetop with oil products like olive oil or vegetable oil. This is what you'd need if you start warming your oil and you get tied up with Facebook and you forget what's on the stove. The ABC fire extinguisher will extinguish your kitchen fire, but since it's a dry chem, it's going to make a horrendous mess in your kitchen if you use this. This stuff will go everywhere. You will be spending a month still finding dry chem in your kitchen, whereas the Class K is a wet chem. So it still gets everywhere, but it's a lot easier to clean up. Now in my garage, I keep a Class ABC kitty fire extinguisher, but this one is an 8-pound. I keep 2 of these in my garage because from past experience working on cars, sometimes one is not enough. Now what a lot of people don't know is the kitty fire extinguisher, which you find in Home Depot, a lot of times they have recalls, and people should be checking the kitty website maybe annually to check to see if their fire extinguishers have been recalled, like this one has. Now what you can do is you log in and you check for recalls, and you usually type in this number that's located right here. That's going to give you a date of manufacture, and it'll let you know if the fire extinguisher has been recalled or not. Kitty recommends that these are replaced every 12 years. So if you've had one sitting in your house forever collecting dust, it'd probably be a good time to see how old it is. And what a lot of people don't know is when these sit for a long time, the dry chem will cake on the bottom of the cylinder, and the day you need it, it's not going to work because all the dry chem is caked up. So probably at least every 6 to 12 months, take it out and shake it up. You should hear the dry chem rolling around in there. If not, take your fist or a rubber mallet and just pound the back of it. If it's been caked, you'll actually hear a change in the cylinder when you pound it when the dry chem has been mixed up. And that's when you'll be able to hear it sifting from side to side when you shake it. That way you're pretty guaranteed to know that when the day you need this, it's going to work. You shouldn't really have to do that with your K extinguisher, because like again, it's a wet chem, and same thing with your big 8-pounder. These are a pain to shake up. But either way, that's fire extinguishers in a nutshell. You guys have a good evening.